Hey guys, I love my Dyson V8. It works great, super lightweight. I could vacuum my entire house and more with this. I'm going to show you how I basically fast swap the batteries as well as use a trigger lock so that I don't have to keep on holding down the trigger while I vacuum the entire house. Now, I have multiple batteries. They work really, really well. All of them seem to work about close to 40 minutes. But I really don't want to remove the screws every time to swap batteries. So I got myself a battery clip, which I could just clip on. It holds it on really tight. I could swap it with a new freshly charged battery, clip it down, and I'm ready to go again for another 40 minutes or 20 minutes if I was using that fast mode. I also have a trigger lock that I got as well. This works extremely well too. It holds the trigger at a certain point so that it stays on, so I don't have to keep on using my finger to hold the trigger. I just push the vacuum. The lock as well as the trigger and that battery swap clip fits perfectly well with the charger. The OEM charger, I have multiple chargers to charge my batteries, so I'm always ready to vacuum. Very, very awesome. Very, very awesome tool. Battery works really well as the clip, and the Dyson V8 is awesome. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.